This is introduction video to practice. In this section we are going to do some practice, so we'll create football application which shows information about Scottish Premiership. So this application will contain 3 pages. They are standings, fixtures and top scorers. Our general plan looks like this. First of all, we will set up application. In this step we will create new application and we will add Gradle dependencies, permissions, and we will modify bottom navigation, and after that we will add Java interface and we will create instance of Retrofit. After that we will create 3 pages: standings, fixtures and top scorers. For each page we will create a list item layout, adapter and fragment. For this application we are going to use SportMonks API. It is Sports API which includes Soccer API and other APIs for other sports. In order to use this API you need token. You can sign up and take new one, or you can use this token. This API have different plans. There is a free plan which has limit 180 requests per hour, which gives access to 2 leagues. They are Danish Superliga and Scottish Premiership. This was introduction video to practice. In this video I talked about what we are going to do in this section. So see you in the next video.